Today I have something amazing to show you, a new feature that I'm releasing in K1s Terminal. With this feature that I'm releasing, the idea is that you can just manage the resources in your cluster in a more easy way. Of course, with the similar environment that you are used to work with, a terminal, a console, CLI command. So let's check it. Hi everybody, this is Adrian from La Rebellion. I have said this several times before, Kubernetes is not easy. And that's the reason that I'm creating K1s. The idea of K1s is to help you to learn, or if you are experienced Kubernetes sysadmin or DevOps engineer, K1s is going to help you to accelerate all the operations that you currently manage. The idea is to have a similar experience in the command line as you will have on a web UI, because the developers and operators are very familiar with CLI, and I want to make sure that the engineers have access to all these features that they need to manage their clusters and resources in a more friendly way. So this is a conventional output from the kubectl get pods command. As you can see, the new output is more friendly and it's more readable. So if you want to see more details about a specific pod, you can just click on it and you will see the details of the pod. Let me show you something interesting on this output up here. If you hover the mouse over the pod name, you will see that there is a link, but here is the namespace. At this moment, this is not clickable. Let's get the namespaces. First of all, similar to the get pods command, the namespaces are listed and clickable here. Let's go back to the top. And you will see that now the namespace is clickable. See? So if you click on it, you will see the details of the namespace. Now that the K1s terminal got the resources, it learned and cached those resources for you to facilitate the navigation through the resources easily. Now, please just let me know, what is your favorite feature on a CLI? What feature would you like to see integrated into K1s terminal? For example, click on a namespace and instead of describing, to take you to the namespace so you can navigate through the resources in the cluster. What are your user stories? Let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please just send me your comments if you would like to see a feature that you think that is worth to include in the solution. Let me know and I will try to include those. Thank you for following the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video and click on the bell to receive the notifications and just receive information on the new features that I'm releasing. Last week I received some feedback and comments from a couple of guys that I'm working with in the same customer. We are from different companies, but I like it, I enjoy that they just found the content and the feedback that I received is really appreciated. Thank you Kiran Kumar, thank you Sagar for that feedback. That motivates me to keep continuing creating more content. Thank you.